Hello. So, we arrive at the gifting tree, and the bag is still hanging there. Alright. We gotta take that down and get rid of the magazine. I heard cracking. Are you able to get that down?
Yeah. As you can see, they didn't take the bag.
I think it's because it's hanging up like that and they feel exposed, whatever, or they think it's a trap.
It's on a big enough tree a raccoon could get up there, so I don't think they've been around.
No.
Bear definitely lives up there.
We'll have to check it out, see if anything's taken out of it. Oh, do you want me to hold the bottom?
I'll have to cut it with my pocket
Here.
knife.
Oh, it's too wet to pull through?
Yeah.
That's alright, who cares?
I got a pocket knife, I'll cut it.
Alright. And then I'll just take that bag and wash it. Awesome. Wear headphones. I'm sorry you catch the end of my laugh. Something says food. That's a nice sharp knife. Now, we'll just put it up here like where we put the tin.
Soaking wet, feel it.
Holy cow. Let's just put the stuff in a plastic bag and shove it in there. Somewhere where it
Just leave this whole bag?
The whole bag? Yeah, just shove the whole bag up there. And I don't know, I'm just gonna save this stuff for later.
Should I tie it closed?
Nah. Yeah, just in case. Just do a knot with both of them real quick. You know?
I'll just do it.
Yeah, a bolt, something easy to untie. Oh, I got something to zoom on.
But the carrots are still here.
The juice, something drank the juice, look.
Oh, something did in it.
Let me film that. So, if it was a bear, guess what? A bear
It would be way bigger than that.
would have eaten the carrots. And all of them. Bears don't stop eating.
It took the whatchamacallit. It would have took everything
Right.
in this bag.
It would have gotten that bag down easy too.
But why is they only drink the one juice?
Maybe to try it. They all tasted it or something.
There's two more.
Holy shit. Alright. I really don't know what that was. It might be the gimbal or the camera, but I doubt it. Like this. I am going to take this container with us and see what kind of teeth chewed. Now this is really weird and rhythmic and it's not natural.
Little bait trap. Let it drink the juice and feel safe. Are any more carrots eaten?
No.
Now there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There were only 6 last time. 5.5 or 6. It's another one I can't explain. Sorry about the next clip. You're going to hear an Amber Alert for a minute.
I thought it was a camera.
That might be something. I can't tell though. What were you going to say? Was that there?
Like I told you. Like I thought the apple juices were gone.
They're under there?
No, something. No, look what this is connected to. Something knocked this fucking tree down and covered him up.
Oh, yeah. So you want me to keep it out?
I think the camera is here.
Right.
And this is the log that was shaking. Not this one.
No, that one was too big. It was that little one. Because it crashed right behind it. You heard it crash in the grass.
Something knocked this tree down, covered the apple juice. Come here, look at this. It's like there's a nut here too. It's a gift.
Oh, take it, yeah. Just put it in your pocket. Want me to edit it out? Just in case, or?
No, edit this part. I thought it was. Could add this to it. I thought it was this tree that was cracked, that shook, but it wasn't. It was this one behind it.
Yeah, that shook.
Like right here.
Or even, yeah.
This is the log that shook. And a squirrel or a chipmunk doesn't have the weight to do that.
No, and you could hear it trot off too. When I say, oh, I'm going to go grab the camera, you hear it. Ch-ch-ch-ch.
And then you take it.
Yeah.
So 15 feet away, it snuck up. I think it wanted to see what the camera was.
Yeah. See if they smell gunpowder.
But look, I wonder if this is a gift from them.
Hang on, I gotta put the camera on. Turn this gimbal off so I can turn the camera without messing up this. Okay.
Like the berries. I think they left us a gift.
You know what I was reading? That elderberry.
It's an acorn.
Awesome. Elderberry is one of the things that heal people from awful illnesses, and I think that's what they left us.
I don't know what kind of berries they were.
I looked it up. The closest thing to it is elderberries. But they don't just grow in the wild everywhere, because we'd see them everywhere. I mean, I'm so mad that I dropped that.
Keep it.
Gracias.
Thank you. Because if the squirrel wouldn't leave it there, I would have ate it.
Right. And all the edges are popped off of it.
It's almost shelled.
Shit.
Yep.
That fucking thing.
Just whatchamacallit
We should just
are.
take that down.
Nah,
We're never gonna.
nah,
Just think.
they're-
Oh,
I think
just
they're
for a bear
using it.
trap.
They're using it for a bait trap.
Good idea. Raccoon. But I really think that's odd with the bottle.
Yeah. Just one.
Mm-hmm.
If it was a...
Raccoons would have pegged out on all of it
They
because of
would
the
have
sugar.
drank all of them.
They'd all be molested too, you know?
The bear would have chopped all of them to carrots, tore down the bag, just whatchamacallit
Yep.
be gone.
Especially the fucking peanut butter.
They would hone in on this so fast.
Mm-hmm.
The bear, if we were roaming around here.
Fuck yeah.
Maybe black bears don't approach. They
Ah.
wanna get their ass kicked or something. I'm not going there.
Want me to edit it out? Just in case, or?
No, edit this part. I thought it was... Could add this to it. I thought it was this tree that was cracked, that shook, but it wasn't. It was this one behind it.
Yeah, that shook.
Like right here.
Or even, yeah.
This is the log that shook. And a squirrel or a chipmunk doesn't have the weight to do that.
No, and you could hear it trot off too. When I say, oh, I'm going to go grab the camera, you hear it. Ch-ch-ch-ch.
And then you take it.
Yeah.
So 15 feet away, it snuck up. I think it wanted to see what the camera was.
Yeah. See if they... So what do you think is going on out there? Do you think that this is truly Sasquatch? I mean, how do we really know? I mean, there's a lot of evidence that's been gathered out there. All these different people documented things. And collectively we all say, oh, it's the Sasquatch clan. How do we truly know? We don't. I have listened to the Sierra sounds, and I hear they have a certain tone and just really different sounding voices than humans. Just by the sounds we're recording, that leads me to believe that we're probably dealing with Sasquatch. And if you're not familiar with Bigfoot anthropologist, go take a listen and check out some of his videos. And please think outside the box, because he discovered something truly astonishing. Thanks for watching.